Are you overwhelmed with picking the right affiliate program? Well, stay with me because I'm going to show you 5 tips to help you pick the right affiliate program that will last and make you money through 2019. Stay with me. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be going over 5 tips for picking an affiliate program that works for you in 2019. But before we get started with the video, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Now, guys, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can make you full-time online, click the link below. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time income. Click that link and I'll send you over some information. All right, guys, let's get on with today's video. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be going over 5 things that will help you pick out the right affiliate program for 2019 so you can be successful in your online business. All right. So the very first tip that I'm going to go over today is product value. All right. So product value is very important. You want to make sure the product has a good value, has a guarantee, has a warranty, isn't crappy, because you do not want to promote things to your customers and then have a really high return rate. Okay. Because what that's going to do is going to put doubt in your customers' eyes, and you're building this customer base so you can promote things to them. So if you promote crappy stuff, when they buy it, they're going to return it, and then they're going to start doubting everything that you start promoting throughout the future. All right. So product value is my #1 tip for picking a good affiliate program. Just make sure they have good value products. All right. Tip #2 is margin. So you want to make sure you have enough profit margin so you're actually going to be making money. Okay. For instance, you could be selling products that cost $7, but you may only be getting $10, 10%, commission, which is not going to be much commission. If you sell a $10 product at 10%, you're getting $1 for every product that you sell. Okay. So you're not getting a real high profit margin. So you want to get a product that's going to pay you high profit margins. Okay. So for instance, Amazon's a great affiliate program, but can't be the only one that you go after, because you're only going to get like between 4 and 6%. And if you're lucky, you're going to get 10% on some of their products. All right. So you want to find a product in a company that'll pay you like 50%, 40% commissions on the products you sell. And the best thing to have is a company that has low ticket, medium ticket, and high ticket offers or products that you can promote so you can get high commissions depending on what ticket product you sell. All right. So the first one was product value. The second one was profit margin. The third one is solid traffic link. Okay. So what I mean by a solid traffic link is, does the company, you sell them your customer a product. Does that customer, every time they come back and buy a product, does that customer always get a commission to you? Or do you get the commission one time per customer? And what I mean by that is, say I'm John Doe and I log in and I buy something from your link. If I come back later and I buy something from that company again, does that commission go to a new promoter or does it go to you? Okay, there's a lot of programs out there that are only one-time sales commissions, but there are a lot out there that will have a solid tracking link that will follow you around and follow that customer. No matter how old it is, that customer will always be yours. Okay. So I'm with the program that's how it works. And that is exactly what I look for in an affiliate program. All right. So number 4, do they have a solid marketing and sales funnel? Okay. So do they have good marketing? That's very important, because if they don't have good marketing, then you're going to have very hard time looking and trying to sell a product that doesn't have good marketing. Okay. That's very important when you're looking at a product to sell. You want to make sure it's got solid branding or solid marketing behind it. Okay. Now, as far as sales funnels, now this could be a program. Now, if you're just promoting Amazon affiliate products, you don't necessarily have to worry about a sales funnel. But if you're doing an online program or online service, having a good sales funnel is very important. Now, software companies, they have pretty good sales funnels. For instance, if you're using like a ClickFunnels as your sales funnel builder, that program actually has a great sales funnel for its marketing, and not only has great marketing, but also has a good sales funnel. One of the programs that I'm with has a great marketing team and it has a great sales funnel. Now, does the affiliate program actually have a sales team that closes sales for you? Okay, so there's a lot of companies out there that you just promote and you're the salesperson. Now the program that I'm with, it has low ticket, medium ticket, and high ticket offers. And to top it off, it has a sales team that will close sales for me. So all I have to do is worry about marketing and driving traffic to my offer. Okay, so that's something you want to look at in when you're trying to choose the right affiliate program. All right. The 5th thing, and this is probably the most important thing, is integrity. Does the affiliate program, does the company, does it have integrity? All right. Is the owner legit? All right. Do they pay their people on time? All right. Do they have a good reputation in the industry? Do people talk good about it? When you log in, I always, no matter what product I'm promoting, I am a customer of that product, and I'm a customer for a couple months before I will even promote it, because I want to make sure that the company I am promoting has integrity and good ethics. All right. So it's very important that the person running the show is ethics and has good integrity. All right. And good reputation. You don't want to go to a company that, is known to not pay their commissions on time or has done some shady stuff. You want something that has a good product and a good vision and doesn't have anything going on with the FCC or anything like that. All right. So just make sure you pick a program. And I'm not talking about Amazon affiliate program. That's one that everybody should be taking part in. I'm talking more about a product or services, educational software, some kind of online program that you can start to earn commissions. And I'm not talking little commissions, anywhere where you can actually do low, high, medium, high ticket commissions, where you can actually get 5-figure commissions off of one sale that you don't even have to close. All right. So that's the kind of stuff you look for, but integrity is very important, because you don't want to start sending your customers to a program that is not, to a company that's integrity isn't one of their main points. Okay. It's got to be a very good ethical program. All right. Those were my 5 tips. Let me go over them again. Product value, profit margin, solid traffic link. Do they have a good marketing and sales funnel? And do they have good integrity? Okay. Those 5 tips, if you follow those 5 tips, you will pick a good affiliate program, and hopefully you're not just going after one. Hopefully you're going after several, so you can have several streams of income. Okay. Because you don't want to just have all your eggs in one basket. You want them in multiple baskets. So you want to build that multiple streams of income. Like I said, everybody should be an Amazon affiliate, okay? If you're using a tool like ClickFunnels, you're using that as a source of income. If you're using, Bluehost for your hosting, you're using that as a source of income. You got all these different things that you're not even thinking about that you can use as sources of income while you're using an affiliate program to build your business with high ticket commissions. Okay, so hopefully this tip came across right for you, and hopefully these 5 tips will help you choose the right program so you can be successful and make some money in 2019. All right, guys, peace out, and I'll catch you on the next video.